So when I think of what makes someone a truly great teacher, Dr. Chwatko immediately comes to mind. She's not only an amazing educator inside the classroom, but also a mentor who genuinely cares about any of her students that she meets. Whether it's helping to design experiment, analyzing data, or navigating important career decisions, no matter how busy she is, she will always make time for anyone who reaches out to her.
And as a grad student, one of the reasons why I nominated her was because she's always encouraging us to seek other avenues of learning, whether it be inside the lab or outside the lab, by going to conferences, helping to mentor and teach students, kind of step out of my comfort zone. And so regardless of what we decide to do, she's always been so supportive in our career goals.
It's a unique relationship you have with somebody that's still forming their career, right? They're forming their path. And so being a part of that and helping them figure out their place, their passions, and really fostering that, both inside a classroom and outside the classroom, is a really key part. It makes me feel connected to help them with parts of the journey that might have been difficult for me, or challenging, or even incredibly easy at times. And so it's really fun to connect with them and talk about flaws or mistakes in my past, or even ones that I make now, and make them aware that it's a comfortable spot, show them that it's okay to do that, and kind of watch them grow through that process. And it's really rewarding and incredibly just kind to be a part of it with them.
Who's voting for nonlinear? No one. Okay, cool. So yes, you're all correct. The first one is a linear equation, right?
One of my teaching philosophies is that really education is a place to practice. So what that means is I often try to diminish the weight of homework assignments, because at that time, students shouldn't be masters of the material, they should be working on it. I often have methods where the students will come in for an exam or a quiz. They'll take it like in any other classroom they might have seen before, but we usually go through a secondary step of them going through their work, grading themselves, and submitting corrections, which allows them to more deeply connect with the material, and then again practice with it more and more, and become an expert over time. They're always all passionate about what they're doing. They have a reason for being here. But their personalities are entirely variable, and that's what makes the job fun. Recognizing all students as individuals, right? They're more than just a student in your class. There's one out of X, right? Many. They all need something different from you, and they all offer something different to you. When it comes to problem solving, the fact that they have different personalities, different knowledge base, and come to your classroom and to your research space with a different background makes them so much more innovative. And so that's again where, having those conversations and figuring out what works for each of us as a team is really, really fun. And again, challenges me as a leader to, again, adapt my style. And so the job never gets boring.